Hey everyone, it's Bradley with the Carpenters with M&M Magical Adventures here for another room tour. We're going to show off a 2-queen bed here at All-Star Sports Resort, and this one is in the Surf's Up section. So come along, let's go inside and check it out. Alright, so this is room 6216. Let's go on in. Alright, so let's expand that a little. So this is, like I said, a standard 2-queen room. I already did fold down the Murphy bed so we could show that off right off the bat. So this one is part of the All-Star family of resorts. You have sports, movies, and music, and the artwork in these 3 resorts is going to resemble each other very similarly. So they have this nice little piece here: sports, movies, music, Huey, Dewey, and Louie. So pretty cool. And that is 1 queen bed, 2 queen beds, and above that one you've got Minnie, Mickey, and Donald. Very cool. Okay, so let's back it up. As soon as you come in, you do have those 2 queen beds off to the left, off to the right, or left, depending on how your room is set up. You'll then have this beverage station. Okay, this station has ice bucket, cups, Cuisinart coffee, Joffrey's coffee, and then you also have your creamer and tea if you like tea as well, green tea, and what's back here? That's this one, Earl Grey black tea. Beautiful. Okay, and then here's a nice little storage area. It is very deep, very deep. Look, it's more than a hand down. Okay, underneath you're gonna have this beverage cooler. It is a beverage cooler. They do not say it's a refrigerator. So a beverage cooler cools to 41 degrees and above. Please contact if you need assistance with keeping things at a cooler temperature. Okay, so again, here's the room. You're gonna have this nice flat screen TV. This is on the Disney Channel for the resorts. Has the park hours, all of that good information you need to know in the morning. Below that, you have 2 sets of plugs. On the left and right, they're gonna have regular standard plugs and then a USB-C or USB and then a USB-C. So that's nice to see. You got your guide along. So if you needed some additional assistance while you were here, but if you book a trip with the Carpenters with M&M Magical Adventures, we provide all of our tips and tricks directly for you. So no need to worry about that. Here are all the drawers that you will have. Okay, nice. These are newly refurbished rooms. So all the hardware and everything is pretty clean and new. Also have more storage under here. And then you've got the Bible and a safe if you need to use that. All right, clean that up. Here's one of the chairs that goes with the Murphy bed. We'll put that up in one moment, and the chairs go over there. There's 2 of them. Here's one, there's the other one. Okay. And again, these are gonna be the same seats that you see at all of the All-Stars. They incorporate everything, right? So it's gonna have baseball and movies, and there's also a music one in here, I guess. This might be representing the music, but nonetheless, there you go. Now these rooms do connect, so if you do need a connecting door, you can do that and request that with us. We would be happy to request that on your behalf. There's also gonna be hooks up, so if you wanna hang up hats, if you've got jackets, or if you're like me and you're running a Run Disney event, you could hang up your medals. Hey everyone, just wanted to show you off the bathroom as well. So great lighting in here. You also have a makeup mirror if you need that. It turns on with the touch of a button. Beautiful. You've got some soap, tissues, and more hand towels, extra toilet paper and tissues. There's an iron and an ironing board. Okay, let's blow that up for you, right? And then you also have a closet area and more storage up top. Turning around, whoa! You'll have more towels, washcloths as you enter your bathroom area. This room does have the sliding glass door with a tub, so that's great for families with little ones like us. Here's your toilet, more towels. This room also has all of your necessary shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. The shower head is a rainfall shower head, and here is the rest of the bathtub. All right, so let me show you how easy this bed is to go up, okay? So it's currently down. I'm gonna take my hand, and look, one hand one hand push. There it goes. And now the bed's put away for the day. You have this desk area now. And what we'll do is we will slide over one of these chairs. And now you've got an area if you want to sit down, have breakfast, or if you need to do anything with the kids in the morning, there you go. Also, under these beds, I will note that they are elevated off of the ground so that they do have good clearance if you have luggage like we do. And you can put that right underneath. I hope you have enjoyed this quick room tour here of All-Star Sports in the Surf's Up area. This is the same room you'll see at both All-Star Sports, All-Star Music, and All-Star Movies for the 2-queen bedroom. So if the Carpenters with M&M Magical Adventures can help you book your next Walt Disney World vacation, we would love the opportunity. Feel free to send us an email at thecarpenters@mnmmagacaladventures.com. Check us out on the web at thecarpentersmagacaladventures.com or follow us on social. Our Facebook is The Carpenters with M&M Magical Adventures, Instagram and TikTok at The Carpenters Magic. We hope you guys have a great day, and we look forward to working with you on planning a magical vacation.